In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chapters in Circle.so video. This feature allows for a more organized viewing experience, enabling your audience to skip to the parts that interest them most. Adding chapters is especially useful for longer form content or complex subjects that benefit from clear segmentation. So let's dive into the step-by-step process together. To get started, first, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. Make sure you have your credentials ready for a quick and easy sign-in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific space where your video is uploaded. These spaces are essentially areas designated for particular topics or community interactions. Click on Enter Space to move forward. Once you're inside the space, locate the video post that you wish to edit. You'll find a familiar three-dot menu, often referred to as the Options menu, on the post. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Edit Post. This will take you into the editing interface where you can make changes to the video post. Now here comes the direct-to-the-point click-by-click guide. Once you've accessed the editing interface, scroll down to the location where the video player is displayed. Here you'll find an option to add chapters. If chapters have already been added previously, you'll see an option to edit them. Either way, click on this to begin defining your chapters. For each chapter you want to add, you'll need to enter a title that effectively summarizes that segment of the video. After that, set the start time for the chapter using the HHMMSS format. This format stands for hours, minutes, and seconds, and it marks the specific point in your video where that chapter begins. Don't worry if you have many segments, just click Add Chapter for each additional one you need to create. Once you've entered all your desired chapters, take a moment to review them. Ensure that the titles and start times are accurate. When you're satisfied with everything, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial to ensure your chapters are committed and displayed correctly on the video. After saving, refresh the video post. This will update the video player to include the new chapter markers, which will now be visible for navigation. These markers provide an intuitive way for viewers to jump directly to the content they're most interested in without having to scroll through the entire video timeline. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added chapters to your video on Circle. So, making your content more accessible and engaging for your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing!